In her fourth budget for the Narendra Modi government, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman increased capital expenditure for FY23 by a whopping 35.4% to 7.5 trillion rupees over the previous year's budget estimate. The idea was to continue public investment-led recovery of the pandemic-battered economy. However, the government seems to have realized the constraints of Capex spending by central government ministries. And that's why it allocated 1 trillion rupees out of the 7.5 trillion rupees Capex allocation to states through 50-year interest-free loans over and above the normal borrowings allowed to the states. While this may be a smart move to aid states in catalyzing their public infrastructure activities, it shows that the capacity of central government ministries to implement large infra projects is limited despite the government's push through the National Infrastructure Pipeline and Gati Shakti Master Plan. To augment higher capacity, the budget proposed to upgrade skills of central ministries, state governments and their infra agencies with technical support from the Capacity Building Commission. This year's budget lays a lot of emphasis on public-private partnerships for infra projects. To encourage innovative financing, the government will now incentivize important sunrise sectors like climate action, deep tech, pharma, and agri-tech through thematic funds for blended finance, where the government's share will be limited to 20% and the funds will be managed by private fund managers. The government will also award contracts for implementation of multi-modal logistics parks at 4 locations through the PPP mode in FY23. To incentivize private capital, budget also proposes measures to enhance financial viability of PPP projects by promising to adopt global best practices, innovative ways of financing, and balanced risk allocation.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.